Hello and welcome back. I don't know why I have this headset on, but I was listening to something before, so I guess it just carried over. So I finished putting in all of the steps to the body here. It's looking okay. So now what I'm going to do is just go around this edge here and use the flatten brush and just flatten all the edges, and then we'll move everything back into position when they're all done. Okay. So we're just giving it that first edge. Pretty much just going to do that with the rest. So depending also on how tomorrow goes, tomorrow will be the last video from here. I need to go after this and make sure the surface is charged, because I might be able to do videos from that, but if not, then the rest of this leading up to Christmas will be phone quality videos, which isn't ideal, but there's not going to be much time to do much in the way of art anyway. It'll mostly be drawing, so I will be trying very hard to get something drawn each day at least, leading up to Christmas, and then obviously in the new year that try is basically a necessity, obviously, to have something done each day. So you can see that it's starting to, using the flat brush is starting to kind of move things out of line. That's okay, we can come back and fix that later. Awesome. So I've got that all sorted. And so what I'm thinking is actually trying to keep that mentality sort of throughout the rest of the model as well. So just having one of these edges flat. So we'll go in and just kind of like round that off, but then we'll move this section right up. I just realised that the PlayStation's still on. Hopefully that's not too much of a distraction. Although that pretty much makes this video a potential copyright claim, but that's okay. It's not like I'm putting it up for money anyway. Cool. Yeah, so I think that's going to be better. So just having the one flat surface like this. I think that's definitely looking better. So I'll just save that just so that I know where I'm going with that. Keep editing these. But yeah, this is, I think, like I said, the last of the big pieces that need to be put in before we can start putting actual detail in, like proper detail in. You can almost just smooth that off, and that works too. But yeah, like I said, we'll see how tomorrow goes. What was I saying? Tomorrow afternoon might be busy, so I'll still do something, but to what extent I'm not really sure. So we'll see. Because as I said, last day until a little holiday break, which is good. Definitely think everyone at work is ready to go on a break. And although I came back from America just recently, I wouldn't mind a little bit more of a break as well. So this one's not flattening too well, so we'll just solo and just see. So it's just quite thin, so that's a bit of a problem. So we'll use maybe inflate, just go around the edges of this. Just to the bottom one more time. And now we can flatten. And we'll just smooth off the rest. Okay. Sorry, just concentrating a bit. I hate when it does this too. It has a tendency to like get stuck on this like solo mode, which is a bit of a pain. But that's alright. We'll leave it there, and you can kind of see how it's going. I think it's looking a lot better now. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers.